أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 4 ayahs of Surah Yasin. Okay. Yeah. First I'm going to recite this. After that inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Okay. Ayah number 62. وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا. وَلَقَدْ. Okay. Wow, lam and qaf for 1-1 count only. And the qaf is heavy here. It's not walaqa. It is walaqa. Okay, a bit heavier. Inshallah. وَلَقَدْ. Dal sakina with the qalqala. وَلَقَدْ. قَدْ. Just don't say وَلَقَدْ. This is wrong. وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ. Dod heavy and from hafatul lisan, that is the sides of your tongue, not from the tip of your tongue. Okay, the pressure should be created from the sides of your tongue. Only then the dod will sound heavy and different from dal, or else it will sound like da. Even if you try to make it heavy by just using the tip of your tongue, it will sound do. Do is different, bo is different, right? There is a different kind of sound between do and bo. So make sure to pronounce it from the sides of your tongue. أضل. Okay, lam mushaddad. There is a tajdeed sign here. Emphasize it. Don't just say أضل. Emphasize it. Minkum. Noon sakin followed by kaf. You have to do ikhfa. Just like you say monk or mink in English. Same thing. Minkum. Okay, with 2 count gunna. Mim sakin followed by jim. So no gunna on mim. Mim sakin is pronounced with gunna only if the next letter is mim or ba. Okay, if no mim and no ba, then mim sakin is pronounced with izhar. That is just clearly reciting it with not holding its sound in nasal cavity. Okay, minkum. Kum. That's it. Not kum. Just minkum. Jibillan. Tajdeed here. And also there is tanween, right? When tanween is followed by this kaf, you will do ikhfa. That is just like how you say lung. Okay, jibillanka. Don't say lan. That n or that noon should not be clear here. It should be hidden in the sense you have to hide it by not touching the tip of your tongue to the makhraj, that is the upper gums, right? gums of your upper two teeth is the makhraj here. Jibillan kathira, kathira. Sa with no whistling sound. How to pronounce this? Sa. The tip of the tongue should touch the edges, the corners of your upper front teeth. Teeth, okay? Not your gums, teeth. It should touch the edges of your teeth. Kathira. This run, while stopping on this waqf al jayaz, will now convert to the ruling called mad al iwad. Iwad means substitution, where the fathatan is getting substituted to alif maddiya. You have to make it heavy also, because ra with fathatan is heavy. Kathira, kathira. Stretch it for 2 count, not more than 2 count, not lesser than 2 count. Just the time which you give to stretch this is C, the same time to stretch ra. Kathira, thira. Same 2 haraka. Don't make one more than 2 or lesser than 2. Fine. وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنْكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْقِلُونَ. أَفَلَمْ one haraka, mim sakin with no gunna, izhar al-shafawi. أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا, ta one count, kunu both for 2 count. Especially maddu tabi'i is a very easy mad, where you just have to stretch it for 2 haraka. Kunu. Don't make it more than 2 or lesser than 2. This will just sound bit different, right? Like somewhere you do it for 2 haraka, somewhere 1, somewhere you stretch it for more than 2 haraka. This is not allowed. It should be exact 2 haraka, especially when they come together. It is very easy to make a sync there, like takunu, not stretching it more or less, okay? Takunu, 2 haraka. Afalam takunu ta'qilun. Ain is a letter of tawasut, where it is not recited very fastly, like the other letters of qaf, of qalqala, like aq. In that way you cannot do qalqala there and say ta. And also it is not a letter of rikhava, where you can give a lot of time, just like how you give time to seen. See how you recite as, you give a lot of time there, right? But ain is somewhat in the middle. You cannot recite it very fast when it is in sakin, and also you cannot recite it for a very late, like ta. This is also not allowed. In the moderate pace, like taqilun, the makhraj should touch, okay, or else it will sound taqilun, taqilun. Ain is compulsory here. Taqilun, taqilun, okay. Qaf with no hums in it. Hums means the continuation of your breath, the inclusion of air while pronouncing qaf. If you do so, it will sound ta'khi, khi. That qa, when it converts to kha, then the meaning of a word will completely change, okay? Ta'qilun. This form madhya can be stretched for 2 haraka, or 4 or 6 haraka. That is the ruling of madul arid lisukun, but you have to decide this in the beginning of your recitation. For now we will just keep it for 4 haraka. So till the end of the ayahs we have to keep it only for 4 count, inshallah. تعقلون. وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنْكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْقِلُونَ. هَذِهِ جَهَنَّمُ الَّتِي كُنْتُمْ تُوعَدُونَ. Hadihi. This ha and this ha for 2 count. Ha-the-he. Okay. Both from the aqsal halaq, last part of your throat. Zal with no buzzing sound. You cannot say ha-zi. If you say zi, the word will become meaningless. Ha-the-he. The makhraj is same, just like this is sa. Okay. The sa and Zal makhraj is same. What to do? The tip of your tongue, front part of your tongue, that should touch the edges or corners, the sharp edges of your upper front teeth, that two teeth which are just behind your upper lip. Okay. Hadihi. Don't forget to make two haraka in both the places. Don't just say hadihi jahannamu. This is wrong. Hadihi jahannamu. Okay. Jahannamu. Here noon mushaddad. Two haraka gunna. It is compulsory. Jahannamu. Okay. Jahannamu. This Hamzatul Wasl of the word Allati is not recited. Meme is connected to Lam. Jahannamullati. Can you see the tajdeed here? Emphasizing. So you have to put a stress there. Just don't say Jahannamulati. Mulati is wrong. Mulla. Emphasize it. Okay. هذه جهنم التي to count. Why? Kasra is followed by ya sakina, so it is ya maddiya. To haraka. Jahannamul lati kuntum ikhfa. Light ikhfa is done for two haraka. Kuntum. Mim sakin no gunna because next letter is ta. Izhar al-shafawi. Kuntum tu'adun. Two for two count. Ain must be clear. Not a. Many sisters are finding it difficult, but don't worry, and also don't feel so bad about it that you don't know to pronounce Ain, because Allah knows best how much you are trying, right? Even if after trying so much, if you're not able to pronounce Ain correctly, you just have to try till you get it perfect. Okay, and Allah will surely make it easy for you, inshallah, because you're trying to learn the word of Allah correctly, right? So don't worry, don't feel bad about it, and also keep trying. Okay, just don't give up, because Ain is something which I have seen in majority of students. They find it difficult. Many sisters will learn it bit early, but few students will take a lot of time. Okay, it depends upon the way you speak, the way you recite. So don't worry if you're not able to get the letter Ain clearly. You just keep trying and keep practicing. Okay, inshallah. Okay, tu'adun. Wa maddiya for 2, 4 or 6 harak according to the ruling of maddul arid lissukun. Alhamdulillah. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون. Okay, next ayah. اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. Sod is heavy. Okay, it is not is, it is heaviness. Just rise the back portion of your tongue. Just recite seen first, like is, then rise the back portion of your tongue. You'll have to feel it while you're rising it, as if you're creating a very narrow space in your mouth. Then it will automatically sound heavy. There is nothing to work in it. Okay, just you have to rise the back part of your tongue. Is. Okay, there is a difference and you have to keep it. Islauha. Low, not low. Islauha. This alif madya is cancelled due to this hamzatul wasl. Okay, now you will not stretch it, but instead you will just connect her to this lam of word al yawma. Hamzatul wasl is not read, alif madya is not read. Islauha al yawma, not yawma, yawma. Yawma, and don't stretch it like yawma. This is wrong. Islauha al yawma bima. Ma for two haraka, there is alif maddiya. Bima kuntum. Same thing, noon with ikhfa, mim sakin with no gunna, izhar al-shafawi. Kuntum takfurun. Kaf with hams. Ak. Okay, takfurun. takfurun. Don't do qalqala. Sometimes, especially on letter kaf and ta, when they are in sakin state, and if you try to do hums, you can end up doing qalqala as well, but you have to try it, okay? Don't rise the makhraj, like after touching the makhraj of kaf, don't rise it like the just don't rise it. The continue it, okay? Takfurun. If you continue, then it will be easy for you, or else it will just rise back and you will end up doing qalqala. Takfurun. Ra with dhamma is heavy. It is not ru, it is ru. Okay, just rise the back portion of your tongue and make it heavy. Takfurun. Noon sakina here at the end, and this waw maddiya can be stretched for 2, 4 or 6 haraka inshallah. اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. Okay, next ayah. اليوم نختم على اليوم. Lam with no qalqala. Don't say al-yawma. Al is wrong. Al-yawma, not yoma. Nakhtimu. This is a bit difficult to understand. The musaf which you use, if it is Indo-Pak version, then you can find it easier. Okay, this is noon here, and this is a kha here. Okay, nakh, nakh. This kha should be a bit heavier. It's not nakh, it is nakh. Nakhtimu ala ain clear. Lam here is with standing fatha, madul asli. This is a alif makhsura, right? When the standing fatha is followed by hamza in a separate word. Can you see hamza is in a separate word? So it is mad al jayaz mufasil, which is a permitted mad to be stretched for 4 haraka. Minimum is 4 or 5, but as it is a permitted mad, it can be stretched for 2 as well, but let's keep all the mad due to hamza for 4 haraka to be consistent in the recitation, okay? Ala afwahihim. Afwa, 2 haraka. See, it is 2 because of this alif maddiya. Afwahihim, 2 has are here, not 1. There are 2 has. Keep in your mind while recitation, you will just forget 1 ha and say afwahim. Afwahihim, him. Okay. Ala afwahihim. وَتُكَلِّمُنَا وَتُكَ. Can you see? 1 haraka. Lam also 1 count, but there is tajdeed, so you have to give a little time on stressing it, okay, emphasizing it. Again, mim for 1 haraka. وَتُكَلِّمُنَا. Madal jaiz munfasil. Alif mad is followed by hamza in a separate word, separated mad, but due to hamza, so let's keep it for 4 count. وَتُكَلِّمُنَا أَيْدِيهِمْ. أَيْدِيهِمْ. Make sure this ya leen should sound very shorter than this ya mad. Okay, don't keep same equal harakas for this ya leen and ya mad. Ya mad is for 2 count. Ya leen is for just little than one haraka, little more than 1 haraka. Okay, don't say Aydihim. Equal amount should not be there. Aydihim. Aydihim. I should sound a bit shorter than the. Okay. Aydihim. Mim sakin with no gunna because next letter is waw. Aydihim wa tashhadu. Wa tash. Sheen with a good spread. Okay, you have to spread its sound. Watash in this way. Watashhadu arjuluhum. Ar. See, hamza is light, ra sakin is heavy. Don't make that hamza heavy like or. Or is wrong. Arjuluhum. Okay, 1 haraka from their makhraj. Arjuluhum. Mim sakin is followed by ba. So now you will do gunna on this mim sakina. Okay, by hiding this mim sakin, as if you are pronouncing it by holding your lips very lighter, not so tightly like arjuluhum bima. This is wrong. Little lighter. You just hold your lips lighter. This is the ruling of ikhfa shafawi, hiding the letter mim sakin in your nasal cavity for 2 count. Arjuluhum bima. The ba should be very clear than that letter mim. Arjuluhum b. This should be very like dominative than this meme. Okay. Arjuluhum bima. Meme for 2 haraka. Bima kanu. 2 count, 2 count. This meme for 2 haraka, kaf for 2 and noon for 2. Bima kanu. Bima kanu yaksibun. Yak again with hums, and this waw madhya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka inshallah. اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. Alhamdulillah. So we have completed learning the rulings of these ayahs. Now inshallah, let's recite this and mute your mic. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا. ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا. أفلم تكونوا تعقلون. أفلم تكونوا تعقلون. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون. اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. 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 اليوم نختم على أفواههم اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون
التي كنتم توعدون
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم
اليوم نختم على أفواههم
وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم
وتكلمنا أيديهم
وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون
وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا
أفلم تكونوا تعقلون
أفلم تكونوا تعقلون
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم
اليوم نختم على أفواههم
وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم
وتكلمنا أرجلهم
وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون
وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون
MashaAllah, excellent. Barakallahu feekum. So, Alhamdulillah, there are very easy ayahs. Try to apply all the rulings and recite it tomorrow, inshallah. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now, inshallah. Any doubts in these ayahs? No, Alhamdulillah. Okay, inshallah. Tomorrow you have to practice it well and then recite it, okay? Let's end the meeting now. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته وإياكم